everybody. Just an update. We're getting really close to having everything we need to start our first project. Black Friday is done and over, and we got quite a bit of stuff that I'm gonna slowly open and put together and review and all that stuff for you guys. Start with, I'll just kind of show you the big stuff here. We got a new compressor, 10-inch table saw. We got 10-inch miter saw. We got a router table, and this is just a real air hose attachment that we're gonna put in here somewhere. So we did pretty good. I might break down in the video of how much we paid for these and all that stuff. And I got a lot of other stuff too. I got some router bits. You know, I don't even know. Like, it's all stuffed away somewhere. We're gonna drag it out for you guys. One of the things I got for Black Friday was flooring. I didn't plan on doing a whole lot with the flooring, and I kept tossing it back and forth. But Lowe's had some hardwood looking laminate flooring on sale for 50 cents a square foot. So I was able to, with another coupon on top of that, get enough flooring to do this shed for $50. So I couldn't turn that down, and it might be a little softer, and it's going to be easier to clean because with just this plywood flooring or OSB, whatever this is, things can get kind of caught and stuck in it. So it's going to make it a lot nicer, and it's going to give us another barrier for heating and cooling control. But another thing is we went to our local Menards. If you don't have one of those, it's like a Lowe's or Home Depot basically. And we made some pretty good scores. I got this. This is 1 by 8 by 6 foot mahogany. Got that $10 a board. This is, I believe, 1 by 6 by 8 foot cherry. And then I've got some 1 by 12 by 6. Oh, sorry, the cherry got $15 a board. This is 1 by 12 by 6 oak. It's pre-finished, and the finish on it is pretty nice. So I'm not exactly for sure what we're gonna do with that yet. Whether we're gonna strip the finish off, sand it down, and do our own finish, or maybe we'll do some projects and use that finish to our advantage because it's already been stained and sealed with a clear finish. So anyway, I got 5 of those for $8 a piece. I got 2 of the mahogany and 2 of the cherry. And then I've got some more oak up here, which I've got some 2 by 12 by 10s or sorry, 1 by 12 by 10s, and then 1 by 12 by, they're kind of a weird measurement. They're like actually, sorry, what did I say? They're 1 by 6 by 9 foot long. Anyway, either way, all 6 of these boards here were only $5 a piece. So it was just too good of a deal to turn down. This is where I'm starting. I needed wood. I've now got my table saw. I've got my miter saw. I've got a router table. I got an air compressor that I'm going to use for nailing and things like that. I needed one. I might get some air sanders and use that for buffing in the future. And all that's left to get is a dovetail jig and an actual plunge router and a couple other odds and ends because I picked up my glue today, and I've got some of my finishing oils that I'm going to use, and sealants and things. I've got to order my finishing wax, and I've got a lot of tools here. I've got my sander up there. I'm gonna try 24-volt system. In case you can't tell, I've got a fetish for blue. I love cobalt tools. Um, Even though they're kind of lacking on selection these days, everything that comes out eventually gets discontinued for some reason. But I've even got some things that have been discontinued. I keep an eye out for on eBay, and I've got a lot of things coming to show you guys. And after this little introduction, what we're going to start doing is I don't want to put everything together until I've got the flooring done because I don't want to be moving a bunch of things over it. But the air compressor and the table saw are both on wheels. This table saw is on a mobile collapsible stand. So we're going to go ahead and put that together and do some reviews on that. And we've still got a ways to go in the shop. We've still got to run the electrical plugs. I picked up a couple more of these lights. Again, I just went into the store and happened to have them like $20 off. So I'm gonna put another one here and another one up in the rafters so I can see up there. Yeah, that about catches you guys up. It's been a little bit since I made a video, and that's just because it's been cold and we've just been busy with the holidays. But I'm still on track to having this not 100%, but at least up and going by January 1st. Hopefully, we can have our first project either done or on the way by January 1st. And I'm going to be revealing that real soon. So, this was just kind of a quick update, let you know what's going on. Haven't forgot about you, and how things are coming along. We got to finish the installation. We got to get the electric plugs in, which we have. We have the wire, and then we got to decide what we're going to do the walls in. You know, that might come later. I mean, it doesn't bother me just being bare boards and insulation for right now, and I'll hold out for a good deal. But that's all we have for you guys today. So we'll see you next time.